Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you a tool that is completely free and you can transform your crap audio look like was recorded in a professional studio. You don't need to learn a new skill. You don't need to buy expensive equipment. It's just a free tool, completely free. At least at the moment it's completely free. Nowadays everything is free until a certain point and then you need to buy it. But at the moment it's completely free.
Let me show you here on Adobe website the sample they provide with and without enhancement speech. Let's click here to listen without enhancement speech enable.
I'm in a conference room with the window open, and it's pretty echoey in here too. Not the best place to record audio. Yet with enhanced speech, all of the background noise and echo is gone, as if I recorded this in a professional studio.
And let me enable here enhancement speech so we can listen to see the difference.
I'm in a conference room with the window open, and it's pretty echoey in here too. Not the best place to record audio. Yet with enhanced speech, all of the background noise and echo is gone, as if I recorded this in a professional studio.
As you can see, there is a big difference with enhancement speech enabled. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any question or feedback, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos.